Hi friends, welcome back to Configure Control System. We Configure Control System are the best solution providers of all industrial automation products. You can contact us at any time for your applications and requirement. Our team is always ready to support our customer anywhere, any place, anytime. And this video is a continuation of the safety precaution that should be followed before handling a PLC. And specifically, in this video, I'll be explaining about the startup and maintenance precautions, the operational precaution, disposal precaution, as well as the transportation precautions that should be followed for handling a PLC. Come, let's get into this video. First, we shall see the startup and maintenance precautions. So the warnings that are given is you should not touch the terminal of the PLC when the power is on, or else if you are going to clean the PLC or if you are doing any retightening work in the terminal, then you have to make sure the power is off, or else that may cause an electric shock to the person who is handling the PLC. The next point is we should not change the program of the PLC simultaneously with the two different peripheral devices. For example, like an engineering tool as well as a GOT. So if you are doing so, that may cause destruction as well as malfunction in the PLC. The battery in the PLC should be used properly. It should be connected correctly the specified way given. It should not be reassembled or connected reversely or exposed to a heat, temperature, direct sunlight, or even like water, liquid leakage, etc. This may cause damage to the battery. Also, excessive force like vibration, impact, drop should not be attained to the battery. So, incorrect using or incorrect handling of this battery may cause to bursting, fire, ignition, and this may lead to heavy injury and also malfunction of the product. If in case you face an error in PLC, then you should not try to disassemble the PLC by your own. You have to call a service engineer to handle that PLC, or else that may cause malfunctions or you can damage any part in the PLC. The next is if you are using the SD memory card. So from the first use, you should not exceed more than 500 times, either inserting or removing, because more than 500 times may cause malfunctions in that SD card. Also, you have to keep in mind any time when you are connecting any third-party devices or any devices to the PLC, you have to off the power of the PLC. For example, when you are trying to connect an extension cable or peripheral devices or expansion module, battery, connector conversion module, bus conversion module, etc. So, you have to off the power in the PLC and you have to do that operations, or else that may cause damage to the PLC. Next, we shall see the operation precautions. So, always we have to construct an interlock circuit in the program before operating the PLC, so that always the PLC will be maintaining in the safer side before executing the output. For example, a data change, parameter change, or a program change. So, all this time the PLC should be in the safer side. So, we be keeping that in mind, we have to construct an interlock circuit inside the program. So, this will safeguard the PLC. Otherwise, that may cause malfunctions or even damage to the product. The next is disposable precautions. So, if you are going to dispose one of your PLC or any electronic devices, we have to contact the electronic waste disposable company so that they will dispose the product in an environmentally safe method. Also, always make sure to dispose your batteries separately and other products separately. The final precaution is the transportation precautions. So, in this, if you are transporting a PLC with a battery, then we have to make sure you have to on the PLC using the parameter setting. You have to off the battery in the LED. So, if in case the LED of the battery is on, this may cause exhaustions and the data in the battery will be unstable. Hence, we have to make sure before the shipment. Okay, that's all for the safety precaution that should be followed before handling a PLC. In order to shorten the length of the video, I have splitted the total video into 4 parts. Please go through the previous videos for your reference, and I have given a basic reference regarding these precautions. So, this will help you, I think so. Thank you. And we Confia Control Systems are providing multi-branded products with a 100% warranty and guarantee to our customers. So you can contact us at any time for your sales and service support. We provide both software support as well as hardware support and installation support, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.